Hello dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can delete your all contact or multiple contacts from the mobile phone. Because sometimes we need to sell out our mobile or we need to give our mobile to service center. All contact will be in the mobile phone, then it will cause problem for us. Because mostly people delete their contact from the contact list, it will not delete it permanently. So in this video I will show you how you can delete your all contact permanently. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the contact and you will see all contact from here, and then hold on one contact and then you will see the options of all contact. Click on it and then click on delete all options, and then click on move to recycle bin, and you will see all contact are deleted from here. So mostly people delete their contact from here, but it will not permanently. So when you will click on three lines or three dots, then you will see recycle bin. You can see all contact which I have deleted are here. So when you will click on one contact, hold it and you will see all options. Click on it and then click on delete all. So when you will click on delete options, then your contact will be deleted permanently from your phone. So in this way you can delete your all contact permanently from the mobile phone. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.